Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about postpartum shedding. This is what I have been going through. I had a baby 5 months ago. He's almost 6 months old now. My hair grew a lot, but recently it has been falling out in clumps. Right now it looks really full because I maintained it very well. It's not as full as it was when I was pregnant. I still retained most of my hair because of the routine I did. Today I'm going to share with you that routine and how I managed to keep my hair in without it all falling out. Hopefully it can help you during your pregnancy and after your pregnancy. So backstory is I've had 3 kids, and after my first and second children I lost a lot of hair, and my hair also broke off a lot, so I had to cut it off. When I had my first and second, I did chop off my hair. I did the big chop. This time I promised myself I wasn't going to chop off my hair because I really wanted to find a solution to like postpartum shedding and how to manage my hair and all that. Firstly, let's understand what causes our hair to fall off after having our kids. During pregnancy, you have a higher level of estrogen, and because of that your hair stays in place. So normally you would shed like 50 to 100 hair a day. The shed hair doesn't fall off, it just stays in the growth phase for a long time till after the baby, and then they fall off. So when it starts falling off, it looks like, oh my god, we're losing all our hair, but no, it's actually the shed hair that has stayed for a long time and hasn't fallen out. That is the hair that falls out like after having the baby. My hair grew a lot in this pregnancy, as always, because of course the vitamins, the baby, the higher level of estrogen. Right now I would show my edges. Those are my edges. A whole lot of hair kept falling out from the front of my hair, right? And also the back, and so, yeah, mostly in the middle also. I would put a photo and video of my shed hair that I lost in the bathroom. But I didn't freak out this time because I had the same experience with my first and second child. And this third time I really did my research, and I was like, how do I keep my hair on my head? Even after I've had my baby, how do I manage this big head of hair that God gave to me? If you want to maintain your hair and also ensure that you have lots of your hair on your head and avoid breakage, one of the things I did that helped my hair grow is to wash my hair every week during my pregnancy, or every 2 weeks, but mostly it was every week. I wash it every week because the more you wash your hair, the less you have product buildup. And then your hair, when you wash, you deep condition. So the deep condition helps your hair. It moisturizes your hair. It helps with sleep and everything. So you prevent breakage and dryness when you wash your hair every week. So wash your hair every week. But if you're pregnant, wash your hair every week in twists. So what I did was I had loose twists in my hair. Whenever I was going to like wash my hair, I didn't take the twists down. I wash my hair in twists. I just washed my scalp, just put my fingers on my scalp and make sure I massaged my hair very well. And that was what I did. And after washing, I would wash, and I would wash with my shampoo 3 times just to make sure all products are out, because when you're washing your hair in twists, it's more difficult for the dirt and the product buildup to slide out of your hair. So what I did was I washed my hair 3 times with shampoo, and then I rinsed very well. Always deep condition. Even if I was too tired as a pregnant lady to deep condition my hair, I tried to at least apply some deep conditioner on my hair. So when I was pregnant, I was very lazy. So what I would do, I would wash my hair 3 times. And then before I brush my teeth or do any extra thing, I will apply the conditioner while I'm in the bathroom on my twists, and then I'll cover it with a heating cap. While I cover it with a heating cap, I do every extra thing I need to do in the bathroom, you know, like anything you need to do. That will give you a little bit of time, even if it's 10 minutes, 5 minutes, just like do that first. So shampoo your hair, wash it very well, rinse it, and then apply your conditioner before you brush your teeth, before you shave, before you like pick whatever you need to pick, before you focus on washing your face or stuff like that, you know. Then wash your body, do everything. After you've done those things, you'll find out that the time you used in doing those things, 10 minutes or 15 minutes have passed. You've already deep conditioned your hair. If you wash your hair every week and you deep condition, even if it's a short time, as far as you're constant with your routine, your hair will not break off. So you don't need to deep condition your hair for 2-3 hours. Just wash your hair, deep condition every week, and that will help maintain the health of your hair. After deep conditioning, what I did was I would rinse my hair and then put it in like a bun. If I don't have time that day to retwist my whole hair, I would just spray it up with water, apply some leave-in and apply it to the strands of my hair like this, and then put it in a bun. I would slowly retwist my hair. So what I did was, the day I had time to retwist my hair, I would take it down one by one carefully, and then I'll apply my leave-in, my oil, and my butter, shea butter. If you like using pomade like petroleum jelly, it's also fine. I would do that, apply it to my strands, and then I would twist it up back. It's more advisable to, like, after washing your hair and deep conditioning, to, if you have the time, immediately like retwist, apply your cream and your leave-in and everything, and retwist your hair. If you leave your hair for too long without applying like your leave-in, your oils and everything, because you washed your hair under the shower, when it dries up, it curls onto each other. It can get tangled, and then you can have some breakage from that. Just take a time that you have like less disturbance from your extra kid or your husband or whatever, and take out time. Maybe if you're watching TV, yeah, just retwist slowly and gently, and then before you know it, 2 to 3 days, you're done retwisting all your twists, and then you have a new head of hair to wait till like the next week. Another thing that helped me a lot was finger detangling. Oh my god, at the end of the first trimester to the third trimester, I did not use a comb because I wasn't taking out my hair in this way, like in an afro and stuff like that. I will just untwist one twist and then retwist it. So that really reduced breakage, and before I knew it, my hair was growing like wildfire. I will show you how my hair looks now. See the length? It really helped me a lot. My hair grew a lot, you know. So yeah, that really helped a lot. We have to recap what we have said. You shampoo once a week, deep condition once a week, apply your leave-in, your oil, your butter, just same process, but this time in twists, so it makes it easier and less difficult. You don't have to make it so difficult. If you make working with your hair simple, it will work with you, but if you make it difficult, then you're going to be experiencing breakage and everything. Those are the things and the routine I did to maintain and care for my hair during pregnancy and during postpartum. It's very important to know that after having your baby, you will lose a lot of hair. For the twist, the downside of that is that the shed hair gets stuck in the twists. So what I started realizing was that every time, even if it was once a week, right? I still washed my hair once a week, deep conditioned once a week. But once a week, I would try to take my twist out and redo it. And in that 1 week, my hair was already locking up, because it had so much shed hair in it in one twist that it will just like lock up together, and it was a nightmare, like especially the front of my hair and the back of my hair. I had a lot of shed hair, so I would spend like 5 to 10 minutes on one twist trying to untwist it and detangle it. You will experience a lot of shedding, but how you maintain and care for your hair is what is important, okay? So yeah, don't let it stress you out. Don't be too like worried about your hair. Just let it be. Just let it do what it will do. Make your routine simple. That's it. Try your best and everything will fall into place. And thank me later, because then you don't have to chop off your hair like I did the first 2 pregnancies I had. And yeah, even if you lose your hair, you won't lose all your hair. You would only be losing the shed hair that was supposed to shed 9 months ago. Take care of yourself, take care of your health during and after delivery, and before like the baby comes, because yeah, it's a lot. I know how it is. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, okay? And I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.